It is deeply exciting and fantastic news that the UK government has committed to this net zero target, and it means that the UK is the first major economy in the world to commit to this very ambitious target, which is in line with the Paris Agreement.
So to get to net zero, we really have to address our existing building stock, and this really is urgent. We need a programme, we need targets, we need to have a plan for 2050.
And the importance of decarbonising the existing buildings is in the fact that a lot of the carbon emissions that people use in their homes or we are using in the buildings sits there, right? Whether it's heating or the appliances that they use or the hot water that they consume. So if we don't find a solution for that, the carbon targets are out of reach.
But I think there is a really important question around how you can make this something that people really want.
The energy transition is not only a technological or a financial challenge, but it's foremost a social matter. The energy transition can only succeed if this transition is affordable, achievable, and it's effectuated at a pace that is acceptable for inhabitants.
One of the key challenges is engaging the general public. But really, at the heart of the challenge is, are there enough incentives for people to upgrade? And at present, I would say there aren't. So we definitely need some fiscal incentives from government.
So what can we learn from the Netherlands, where they're taking much more of a neighbourhood-based approach? So they have this idea of gas-free neighbourhoods.
I mean, I wouldn't exaggerate the level of advancement that we have achieved, but I would say we're a few years ahead of the stage we're seeing currently in the UK. Energy costs in the Netherlands are higher, which helps to help the business case stack up. Our social housing sector is financially a little bit more, let's say, healthy. They have more money to spend on their stock to maintain it, so the budgets we can work with are a bit better overall.
If we go faster in terms of the rollout of energy efficiency across the stock, then that will deliver huge benefits, obviously for the fuel poor, but just more generally in terms of some of the health benefits, some of the comfort benefits. And so I think it's a really exciting time to be working in this area.